Hey guys, I made felt carrots and bunnies for Easter home decor. I used the same templates that I made for my egg hunt signs. I printed them out with the size at 30% and used these templates. I used these colors for my felt. I pinned my template onto felt and cut out my pieces. I made 2 of each for the front and back. To connect the carrot, I cut a tiny strip of HeatnBond Ultrahold to use as my adhesive. I placed it onto felt with the paper side up. Then ironed it to bond. I peeled the paper off, then ironed the parts together. I used the previous carrot to align my pieces. I sewed the front and back pieces together using a blanket stitch. To make a blanket stitch, knot the end of your thread and place it between the 2 pieces of felt. Bring your needle up, wrap around the edge at a diagonal, which creates an overhand stitch, and go through both pieces of felt. Go through the previous stitch before making another overhand stitch and repeat the steps. Add polyfiber fill and continue sewing. I use the end of a crochet hook to reach the corners. Knot the end and tuck it inside. Using a tapestry needle, I strung my pieces onto this cord. I made a loop to hang it. Tuck the end of the cord into the felt and made a knot. I left a gap and made a knot after each piece. Continue doing this until you reach the length that you want. Then cut the end. And here's how it turned out.